X squared minus y squared is going to be x plus y, x minus y. And then I'm going to recopy the denominator of x minus y. So we're going to state restrictions for the letter x. X could be any number at all, but what x cannot be is the letter y, because y minus y equals 0. So I'm going to go over here and just kind of algebraically show you guys how I know x cannot equal y. Remember, this term cannot equal 0, so I'm not solving an equality, I'm solving an inequality. And to solve for the letter x, we would move that y over and it would change signs. So I know that my restriction is x cannot equal y. Also remember, we have some things that cancel out, x minus y and x minus y. Remember, if everything cancels out in the denominator, you don't even draw a fraction bar. So the final answer is going to be x plus y with a restriction that x cannot equal whatever the y value is. For problem number 4, y'all, problem number 4 is kind of the teacher trick. If you see something written like this, you need to rewrite it with the x first. So I'm going to go ahead and write negative x plus 5 for the top. I'm going to write it in the correct order where the letter x comes first. I'm going to recopy that denominator. And guys, what are the restrictions on the denominator? Right, so let's write x cannot equal 5. And guys, right now nothing can be simplified, but every single time you guys see a leading negative, you have to factor that out. So the numerator is going to turn into, now my first term is positive when I factor out the negative, and my second term is going to be negative because I factored out a negative sign right here. So when I recopy the denominator, that's just going to be like, it's a 1, but it's a negative 1 because we have a negative on top. Remember, these are identical. When everything cancels out, it's a 1. But remember, we factored out a negative right here, so the answer is negative 1.